In the vast expanse of the cosmos, around 4.6 billion years ago, a grand spectacle was unfolding. A cosmic dance of creation marked by chaos and violence. Our solar system, a swirling cloud of gas and dust, was born from the remnants of ancient stars that had exploded in brilliant supernovae, scattering their enriched materials across the universe. Each particle, a tiny fragment of history, floated in a vast void, waiting for the invisible hand of gravity to weave them into something more substantial. Gravity, the silent architect of the universe, began its relentless work, drawing these particles together in a slow, mesmerizing spiral. As they coalesced, they formed a dense, spinning disk around a nascent sun, a celestial furnace igniting in the heart of this swirling mass. The dance of creation was not gentle. It was a tumultuous affair where clumps of matter collided and merged, forming planetesimals, primitive building blocks of planets. These planetesimals, sometimes the size of mountains, collided with one another, their violent impacts sending shockwaves through the disk, fueling the relentless growth of larger bodies. Among these burgeoning masses was a protoplanet that would eventually become Earth. As it grew, its gravitational pull intensified, drawing in more and more debris from the chaotic surroundings. The early Earth was a fiery world, a molten sphere constantly bombarded by asteroids and comets, each impact a violent reminder of the cosmos's raw power. The surface was a chaotic ocean of magma, bubbling and churning, as the planet struggled to find stability amidst the turmoil of its formation. As Earth continued to evolve, its gravitational embrace became strong enough to capture a primitive atmosphere, composed primarily of hydrogen and helium. This atmosphere, however, was not destined to remain unchanged. A dramatic moment in Earth's history arrived around 4.5 billion years ago, when a Mars-sized body, known as Theia, collided with the young planet in a cataclysmic event. The impact was colossal, sending debris spiraling into space, a cosmic explosion that would change the course of Earth's destiny. The remnants of this collision, a swirling cloud of dust and rock, eventually coalesced to form the Moon, a silent sentinel that would orbit Earth for eons. The collision also reshaped Earth's interior, creating distinct layers within the planet's core and establishing a magnetic field that would protect it from the harsh solar winds. This magnetic field became a shield, preserving the atmosphere and allowing for the conditions necessary for life to thrive. In the aftermath of this violent ballet, the planet began to cool, the chaotic magma giving way to a more stable crust. Over millions of years, volcanic activity continued to release vast amounts of water vapor into the atmosphere. As the surface temperature dropped, this vapor began to condense, forming clouds that wept rain upon the barren landscape. The first oceans emerged, vast and deep, filling the scars left by the planet's tumultuous beginnings. These primordial seas, nourished by the minerals from the volcanic eruptions, became the cradle of life, a sanctuary where the first simple organisms would eventually evolve. Thus, from the violent chaos of its formation, Earth transformed into a life-sustaining world, a delicate balance of elements and forces that allowed life to flourish. The scars of its early existence remain etched in its geology, a testament to the fierce cosmic dance that crafted a planet unlike any other in the known universe. In the grand tapestry of time, Earth stands as a vibrant oasis, a remarkable product of the universe's relentless creativity, forever shaped by the forces that once forged it from the remnants of stars.